In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save draft on YouTube Shorts. Let's jump straight in. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the channel where you want to upload your short. Once you're on the main YouTube homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This opens a menu with different options for your account. From that drop-down menu, click on YouTube Studio. This is your main creator dashboard, where you manage all your videos, analytics, comments, and of course, your shorts. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, you'll see a vertical menu. Find and click on the option labeled Content. This is where all your uploads are listed. At the top of this page, you'll notice different tabs like Videos, Shorts, and maybe Live. Go ahead and click on the Shorts tab so you're specifically working with Shorts content. Now, look for the Upload Videos button, usually near the top right of the content area, and click on it. A new window will pop up for uploading. Here, click on Select Files. This will open a file browser on your computer or device. Navigate to the short video file you want to upload, select it, and confirm. YouTube will start uploading and processing the video. While it's doing that, you can begin filling out the details. Click into the title field and type a clear, catchy title for your short. Then click into the description box and add any extra information you want viewers to see, like context or relevant links. Continue filling out your upload details and settings. This includes things like audience settings, whether it's made for kids, and any other options YouTube presents, depending on your channel. Take your time here, because all of this will be saved with your draft. When you're done with the details on this first page, click Next. Keep clicking Next to move through the remaining steps, such as checks and any additional settings, until you reach the final page labeled Visibility. This is where you would normally choose Public, Unlisted, or Private. Instead of changing the visibility and publishing, go to the very top right corner of this upload window and click the X to close it. Don't worry, your work isn't lost. YouTube automatically saves everything you've entered as a draft, so you can come back later, make final tweaks, and publish your short when you're ready.